Hi! I decided to take some of my, actually most of my videos in English because my Norwegian friends and my friends from other countries, they told me that we like your videos, but while we're watching it we cannot understand anything. I mean, they didn't say but they said actually, well, thanks to them, they said although we cannot understand any Turkish, we love your videos. So this is much appreciated and I love you too, guys. I'm really appreciated for your support. So that's why I wanted to start shooting my videos in English again. Well, and also not to forget my English, of course. So let's begin to our Oslo tour. This is the Grünerløkka Park, and that is Paulus Church. And this is very close to my house, so I come here often. And this is the Sofianberg Park, which is also really close to our house, so I feel really lucky about that. And there's a playground. I think it's quite big. And there are beautiful trees like this, like huge. And there is Sofianberg Kyrkja, which is the church. Well, pardon my Norwegian. And there is me. Long time no see. So I just wanted to show you the surroundings around our house, because I really feel lucky just because of the parks. They are so beautiful. And by the way, I cut my hair. Well, I cut my hair actually myself. Like, I didn't go to the hairdresser, since the hairdressers in Norway are way too expensive. I mean, you can give them, I don't know, 1,000 kroners per haircut. And this is the best part actually about Sofianberg Kyrkja. As you can see, you can actually unleash your dog and play with them in the church garden, which is so beautiful. And here is the Sofianberg Church. Well, it's been 7 months, but it's actually the first time I came into this garden. So almost every church in the city looks like this, and I didn't enter into any of these churches actually, which is so interesting because I usually love to see the churches, see the architecture inside, but I guess just because of the pandemic I didn't find any opportunities to get into this church. Well, right now it seems to be closed, so I'll try, but I won't guarantee you. Anyways, about this park, as I told you, right now there are no dogs who are unleashed, who are playing with each other, but usually you can bring your dogs and bring them to socializing here with other dogs, with their friends. So let them play, let them be happy. And this is Apostrophe Bar, which is really close to our house, and have really good pizzas and some nice cocktails that you can try. You must try. So this was another suggestion from Grünerløkka actually. What's around Grünerløkka and what can you eat? Where can you go? Where can you go and have a sunbath, or I don't know, just chill in some parks? You can grill in Sofianberg Parken, and you can actually make a barbecue in everywhere. This is something good about Norway, or I don't know. in all over Oslo. I discovered this cute, beautiful gallery called TBS by Tore Bjorn, hopefully shows Vik. But it's apparently closed until the 4th of August. So right now I'm just looking at the sculptures which are in the garden. I don't know, I just love this spot. And I'm going to save here to my list so that I can come and visit on the 4th of August. I don't know about inside, but I think outside it's really beautiful, and I see that they have a couple of tables, so that means maybe they have a cafe afterwards. And I will be really pleased to visit here, have a drink, have some coffee, and visit this nice gallery. Another thing that I found while I was biking is the Grünerløkka church, which is really beautiful. This is a Lutheran church located in norveç'te. So I'm going to visit here now. It seems like it's closed. And it's right next to a beautiful park. So this is my city bicycle. and this is the Grünerløkka Park. Well, pardon my Norwegian, I'm going to write it onto my video so that you could find the location. And there are some really beautiful houses around. Well, I actually wonder if they're actually houses or not, but still, I think they are. Just a visit here. No worries, I'm not going to give you some boring, long information about this church or about this park. I'm just going to tell you, if you come to Oslo, just try out the city bikes and try discovering the city while you're biking, because this is a whole new other experience. I just didn't open my Google Maps. I didn't actually bike according to one location, so I just went out, rented a bike, and then started discovering Oslo again. So I recommend the exact same thing to you guys. So apparently this historical house is now a cafe, which is a really, as it says, yeah, a cafe, like cozy, warm, nice, and cute. The toilet is hidden in a beautiful gallery. So the gallery is just next to this nice, lovely cafe, which has an Italian chef. So, well, I guess this is my lucky day. I had a really delicious panna cotta, and now I'm actually having a private tour in a beautiful gallery. Let's not forget the purpose. So yes, I'm in a gallery. Then I'm having myself a private tour, but I'm actually going to the toilet, so well, let's not keep it long so that they won't be suspicious about the situation. And here is the Royal Park. This park belongs to the royal family, I believe, so because this is the royal palace there. And it's a really beautiful, huge park where you can relax, bike around, come and have picnic with your friends. So it's really nice over here. And there's actually one soldier there, but right now I cannot show him to you. Well, honestly, it's not called the Royal Park, but it's called the Queen's Park, Dronningparken. Dronning is queen in Norwegian. Well, but it's still royal, you know? It belongs to the queen. Or it's just named after the queen. I'm here talking all the time, but not showing myself, so I decided to show myself a bit. But I got nothing interesting to say, actually. I don't have any information regarding to here, because I'm actually shooting all of my videos so spontaneously, so I really get ashamed around people, and they actually look at me while I'm shooting the videos, which is so embarrassing. And now I'm going to escape from here real quick on a bike. And behind me, yeah, there, that's the royal palace. I have never been inside, but I would love to, although I've been to quite some palaces, I would say. But I still want to go in because, you know, as a Norwegian palace, who knows, maybe it's different. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, which will make me really happy. And don't forget to open your notifications. And of course, leave your constructive criticisms, comments, So I'm up for all of it. See you guys!